from Recognia has shared some tips as to how you can use and personalize the Technical Insights tool.
So there's a couple other features that I'll display here now related to the charting page on Technical Insight. So we're looking at a stock called Appen Limited, and it's formed this continuation triangle that we can see here, the red lines, and it has a very nice inbound trend. But ignoring this price action here, let's focus on this inbound trend, and what I'd wanted to do is just show you we have a couple features down in the bottom here related to trailing stops. So if we click on the stops word here and we say draw stops on chart, I can select to have a percentage trailing stop. So a percentage trailing stop is a stop that follows the price up, and if a price falls down, the trailing stop level stays at that level. It does not fall. And so it's following this price up, and at a certain point, if the price falls through and penetrates that stop, you would get an alert either in the form of an email or on your screen. In this case, there's a 10% trailing stop. Let's just go with a 5% trailing stop. It's a little more aggressive. We're going to update the chart, and I picked it starting in September back here at the bottom of this uptrend, and you can see that the 5% trailing stop is probably a little too tight, and generally I would be recommending an 8 or a 10. So let's see the difference. So how's this worked for us now? What's happened is the price has been going up, and it follows up through as the pricing continues, and only when it falls through this level here, looks to be in the middle of December, do we get the notification that the trailing stop has triggered. It's on the 15th of December. There's another way to calculate stops, and it's using a Recognia trailing stop, and that is based on some price volatility in the past. So we look at a window of the price action, we see if it's highly volatile, and we give you a dynamic calculation of what we recommend to be a trailing stop level, as opposed to the percentage trailing stop, which is a set figure. And we allow you to choose tight, medium, and loose. So if I go and choose a Recognia trailing stop that's tight, I suspect it's probably going to stop a bit early like we did on the 5% earlier. And in fact, yes, it only lasted a couple days. If we go with loose. And these are based on the standard deviations of the price action in the past. So you can see here that again we got a similar thing where it stopped out up here in the middle of December. So that's how stops can work for you, and you can actually set them up to be received by email.
For more insights, please visit our website.